Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to deactivate an Instagram account. First, you need to open the Instagram app. Here, go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Now tap on Menu. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Help. Then go to the Help Center. Here, tap on Menu. Tap on Manage your account. Select the option of Delete your account. After that, tap on this Delete your account. Now from this menu, select the related option with your device. I'm selecting Mobile Browser Help. Scroll down and tap on Delete your account. You can also temporarily delete your own by tapping here. Here, select the reason for your temporary deactivation of the account. After that, tap on Temporarily Deactivate Account. This will remove your account for a specific time period. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.